nne, nna, nne mụ, nna mụ. Now, guess what grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt are called? In this video, we'll be discussing all that and daily conversation around them. Welcome back to my channel, Learning More with Center. And without wasting any time, let's begin. Okay, as we are aware already that nne means mother. Nnemu, my mother. Nnamu, my father. Now, what is my grandmother called? Can you guess it? My grandmother means nnem ochie, and some will call it nennem. That is my mother's mother. Are you getting it? Nnem, alright? But the correct one is nnem ochie, which is my grandmother. So Anambra dialect will say nne nnukwu, nne nnukwu. Alright, they are all the same thing. Okay. So now, what about grandfather? Grandfather is nnam, which remember, mother is nne, father is nna. Alright. So nnem ochie, nnam ochie. Are you getting it? So grandfather is called nnam ochie. Can you say it? Nnam ochie. Excellent. Okay, so now uncle is called dede. Alright? Dede. While aunt is called dada. Dada. So check yourself if you have been pronouncing it correctly. Dede, uncle. Dada, aunt. Nwanne m nwoke, my brother. Nwanne m nwanyị, my sister. Okay? Nwanne m nwoke nke ukwu, my elder brother or my older brother. Nwanne m nwoke nke ukwu. Nwanne m nwanyị nke ukwu. What should it be? Good. My older sister or my elder sister. Nwanne m nwanyị nke ukwu. Alright? Ada anyị. Ada anyị means our first daughter. Ada means first daughter in Igbo. Ada. Alright? While Opara means first son. So, Opara anyị means our first son. While Ada anyị means our first daughter. Are you with me? Nnem, no. My mother, welcome. Your mother just came back from market or from somewhere, alright? You say nnem, no, which is my mother, welcome. Nnam, ibiala. It means the same thing. Ibiala and no, they are the same thing, the same meaning, alright? So you can either use no or you use ibiala, alright? So, nnam, ibiala, or nnam, no. It means my father, welcome. Okay? Nwanne m nwoke anọghị ya. My brother is not around. Maybe someone is asking after her, alright? And you're telling the person, my brother is not around or my sister is not around, as the case may be, alright? So, nwanne m nwoke anọghị ya means my brother is not around. So you should know nwanne m nwanyị anọghị ya. It should be what? My sister is not around. Good. So now, ikwunne. Do you know what that means? Ikwunne. Ikwunne means maternal home. Alright? Ikwunnem, my maternal home. But when you just say ikwunne, it's generally maternal home. Are you getting it? So, I went to my maternal home. M gara ikwunnem or agaram. So you can say gara. If you are referring to yourself, you can either use okay, which means you yourself, or you can use Agaram, which also means you are referring to yourself. Agaram, the there, you, yourself, okay? So, agaram ikwu nne or m gara ikwu nne. Are you getting it? It means the same thing. So, whenever you hear it, so that you will not get confused, m gara ikwu nne. I went to my maternal home. Alright? So, say it again. M gara ikwu nne. Good. So, as you now know that, ikwu nne means maternal home. Alright? Don't forget. M ga-aga ikwu nne taa. I will go to my maternal home today. Taa means today. Alright? While echi means tomorrow. Alright? So, m ga-aga, it means I've not gone. I will go. Alright? But m gara means past tense. I've already gone. Alright? So, m gara ikwu nne m taa. I've gone already today. Alright? I went to my maternal home today. But m ga-aga ikwu nne m taa. It means I have not gone already. I will still go. Okay? So, I will go to my maternal home today. Are you getting the two? Then, echi means tomorrow. So now, m ga-aga ikwu nne m echi. What does that mean? I will go to my maternal home tomorrow. Okay? M ga-aga. And then, echi, I will go. And tomorrow. Are you with me? Do you understand? Good. So now, nwa. Nwa means child. Alright? Nwa, child. While nwatakịrị, small child. Are you getting it? So, when you hear someone say, nwam, it means my child. My child. Alright? Then, nwam nwoke, my son. Nwam nwanyị, my daughter. Okay? So, nwam, my child. While ụmụ, my children. Alright? So, ụmụ means it's more than one person. You are referring to more than one person. Then you use ụmụ. But when you use just nwa, you are referring to one child. Okay? Nwa. So, ụmụ, my children. Nwa m, my child. Ụmụ gị. What does that mean? From me to you, I'm talking to you. Ụmụ gị. It means your children. Ụmụ anyị. Ụmụ anyị. Remember, I'm not referring to myself alone now. Alright? So, ụmụ anyị, our children. Alright? Good. This is where we'll be ending this particular class. Keep practicing, okay? And with time, you'll be speaking like me. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in our next class. Bye.